Hello friends, thank you for stopping by and welcome to my channel. This is Desert View Studio. In this video, I cooked Mexican rice using rice cooker. It's fast and easy. Let's get started. Cooking Mexican rice doesn't require too many ingredients. Here I have tomato, garlic, onion, tomato sauce, and tomate. A cup of water. Here I use about 3 cups of Thai jasmine rice that I purchased from Walmart. First, I start off cutting tomato in small pieces as you can see here. If you really like tomato, you can always add more. I use 4 cloves of fresh garlic. You can always use blender to mix everything together, tomato, garlic, and onion. However, in this case, I just cut it by hand. I place my palm on top of the knife to flatten the garlic and then cut it in vertical way and also horizontal way in small pieces as you are seeing here. Here I only use half of the onion. And here is how I cut the onion. I believe there is no right or wrong way of doing it. If you like your onion to be bigger size, you can cut in bigger pieces. Put this ingredient on the side and moving on to the next step. Tomate is powder form and is in red color. Some people use it and some don't. However, I do in this case. For putting anything in, I wash the rice about 3 times. Drain the water and now you are ready for the next step. Pour all these 3 ingredients in the rice cooker. And then followed by a tomato sauce. Followed by a cup of water. I added 2 teaspoons of tomate. If you want your rice to come out moist, you can add more water. Otherwise, you can add it at later time. This is first time that I'm cooking Mexican rice. I know that I made a mistake by putting too much water, but at the end, it still turned out okay. After stirring the pot and mix everything together, let it cook. And here is what it looks like. You can shredded chicken and put in the rice the same time as you are cooking it. But in this case, I didn't do that. At the end result, the rice came out and tastes very good. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, or comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye-bye.